What's the meaning of carbonara? Carbonara. Carbonara.
Carbonara. Carbonara. Carbonara is a traditional Italian pasta dish. The name comes from the Italian word carbone, which means coal, and it is said that the dish was popular among the coal miners in Italy. The dish typically consists of spaghetti or other long pasta, mixed with eggs, cheese, and bacon or pancetta. Unlike many other pasta dishes, carbonara does not have a tomato-based sauce. Instead, the eggs and cheese form a creamy, rich sauce that coats the pasta. The dish is usually seasoned with black pepper and sometimes garnished with parsley. It is a hearty and satisfying meal that is popular all over the world.